The DIACAT project is developing a technology to transform carbon dioxide to something useful. So carbon dioxide, as you know, is one of the greenhouse gases, and so it would be good to put it back in the chemical cycle. And we use diamond materials to do that. So diamond has very unique properties, and so one of them is the ability to generate high energy electrons with a high reduction potential. We want to use those to transform the carbon dioxide and put it back to fuels, to chemicals, so that we can reuse it and take it off from the atmosphere. The use of diamond here is, first of all, it's a very resistant material. Everybody knows it's extremely hard, but you can also modify diamond in a way that it is becoming a semiconductor or electrically conducting, so you can build some kind of electrochemical cells with it, and so you can generate electrons in solution. You can emit electrons in solution. You can do that with other materials as well, but the energy of these electrons that come out have not the right potential, so to say, and so they are not able to reduce carbon dioxide and make it reactive again, and diamond has that ability.